Two religious concepts. Food and meals eating is an important matter for the Batak. His mealtime is the highlight of the day. His food is rich in power and he must therefore eat it in peace and quiet. No Batak will disturb another while he is eating. The only people who have no right to such a privilege are murderers, abductors, and other malefactors who reporters pay mga dibigat puti boido buhaton. Should they sit in the place of honor and eat out of the consecrated dish they will be seized. In ordinary life, the preparation of a meal does not entail much work. This applies particularly to the meat juhud, which is boiled on market days and cut up in small pieces before it is eaten. It is a different matter, however, when the meat is part of a meal, which is to be the main element in some ceremonial. The meat is not then bought in pieces in the market, but, if possible, one of one's own fat base is selected. Before the knife is plunged into it, it is dedicated. The Hata talked to. If it is to be slaughtered on an important occasion such as a mangupa, then the rice in the hut is also talked to. The meal is then considered to be consecrated natinabean. Such a meal will be efficacious in creating the anticipated fortune-bringing activity. The benedictional power that it contains will be transferred to the person from whom it has been consecrated, and only of the one person will pass on to the other. When food is ceremonially conducted from one village to another, homage must be paid to it by passers-by. In the Bidari time, bearers of such food had the right of safe conduct. If there was a wagon, sibodidahan tinabian na soja di mago, the bearer of consecrated food must not be harmed. One was one of the rules of war which even protected those who were involved in it. A meal which has been consecrated is also called idahan na maglapatan, rice which has a meaning, or sipanganon na maghaduhuan, a meal which has a purpose. If, however, the people for whom a consecrated meal is destined are to regard it as such, then the meat must be chopped up and prepared according to fixed rules, otherwise it will be regarded as ordinary meat. Juhud gabingan. Ceremonial meat must be cooked in its own blood, na magsaudara or na magota, so that the skin of a man who eats it will shine and be cut up into the magwar, the part that have a name. This is important and must be done with great care.